Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment Exp22 Excel chapter 11 HOE Halloween. That's his project description, you can read it. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel, download and open file name Exp22 Excel chapter 11. So I have already opened this file, that's our file. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Cengage courses, Pearson courses, Canvas courses, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan my WhatsApp barcode which is given in the start of the video and at the end of the video. We will move to our second step. The first column contains the first name and last name of the store managers. To facilitate future sorting by last name, you want to display last name and first name in the second column in the cell B2 in the store manager worksheet. So we will go to the cell B2 in the store manager worksheet. That is our cell B2 store manager worksheet. Type this one. We will copy this and we will paste in the store managers. That is our store manager worksheet. Cell B2. We will paste this as a and what is he saying? Use the flash fill to complete the pattern down to column B. So we will go to the just flash fill. In the flash fill, we will when we flash fill, it will automatically put the names like that. That's our second step. Our third step is the worksheet contains the complete address in the third column. You will separate the street address, cities, states, and postal codes into individual column. Select the range C2 to C11. So we will select C2 to C11. And what is saying? Convert the text to column. We will go to the data tab, and here we will go to the text data tools and select text to columns. Use the comma checkbox as a delimiter and deselect the other delimiters. So we will go to the delimiters and select the comma delimiters and deselect the other delimiters and press next. And what is in change the column width of C to 25 and column D to 13. So we will press finish. Column C, width of column C to 25 and what is in column D width to 13. So we will select column D and change its width to 13 and press enter. That's our third step. We will move to our fourth step. Our fourth step is now you want to separate the state abbreviation and zip codes. Select the range E2 to E11 and convert text to column. Deselect the comma delimiter and select the space delimiter. So we will go to the E2 to E12, E11. Go to the text to the column. Which one? What is he saying? Deselect the comma delimiter and select the space delimiter. Select the space delimiter and do not import the first column in the. So we will press go to the next. We will select don't import the first column and press finish and we have got our results. In the cell F1 apply right alignment horizontal align right horizontal alignment. So in the cell F1 we will go to the right horizontal alignment. That's our right horizontal alignment. So that's our fourth step. Our fifth step is the state manager worksheet contains a list of manager You will combine the names using the text join. Display the states manager worksheet. We need to display state manager worksheet. That's our state manager worksheet. In the cell D2, insert the text join function to combine the names in the range A2 to C2 using the space delimiter and ignore the empty cells. So we will go to here, we will in the cell D2 we will put text join function. We will select this function. We need to use delimiter as a space and delimiter, and ignore the empty columns. Ignore the empty column cells and select the text as A2 to C2 and close our brackets and press enter. So we have joined our names in the A2 to C2. Copy the function to the D3 to D5. We will copy this function to D5. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is to improve the readability of the names. You will convert the text to upper and lower case. In the cell E2, insert a proper function for the text contain the D2. So we will go to the cell E2. That's our cell E2. We will put proper function here and select the cell D2 and close our brackets and press enter. So we have got our results in the cell E2. Copy the function to the cell E3 to E5. So we need to copy this up to E5. We have got our results. That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is in the you want to extract the area code from the phone number. In the cell I2, insert the left function to extract the first three characters from the phone number in the cell G2. So we will go to the cell I2 and here we will put left function, start our bracket. We need to select the cell G2 and we will put three characters we need to extract from the phone number and close our brackets and press enter. So we have got the area code in the cell H2. Copy the function to H3 and H5. So we will copy this up to H5. That's our seventh step. We have total 28 steps in this assignment. I have performed 8 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can just scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. And if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.